Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today also I am going to explain previous year problems in JEE mains examinations. They are very easy problems that we can solve. Easy, an average student also can solve these this type of problems. So you don't believe that such type of problems are also giving in JEE mains examinations. They are very easy. Such one type of problem is this. Even an average student also can do this problem. So easy to solve this type of problem. So let us see this problem. This problem is asked in 2021 JEE mains examination. So let us see the problem. Two sides of a parallelogram are along the lines 4x plus 5y is equal to 0 and 7x plus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, in a parallelogram, equations of two sides are given. Okay, happy. If the equation of one of the diagonal is 11x plus 7y is equal to 9. So, one of the diagonal equation is also given. Then the other diagonal passes through the point. Then the other diagonal passes through the point. So, the points are also given, vertices. So, very easy problem. So, if you draw the diagram, so by seeing the diagram only we can solve this problem. So, first of all, there is a parallelogram. So, we can call it as A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Two sides of a parallelogram are along the lines. Let us say that a line is passing through the side AB. So, I am not writing that. So, this is equal to 4x plus 5y is equal to 0. And another side is 7x plus 2y. So, another side means that definitely since these two are not parallel, definitely they are adjacent sides. Therefore, we can take either BC or AD we can take. So, let us take the BC equation is 7x plus 2y is equal to 0. Since these two are not parallel, so definitely it should be an adjacent side. So, that we can take as a BC or AD, no problem. Now, if one of the equation of one of the diagonal is 11x plus 7y is equal to 9. So, in a parallelogram, you know there are the two diagonals, one is AC, another one is BD. Now, he is given the diagonal equation as 11x plus 7y is equal to 9. So, which diagonal we have to take, either AC or BD. So, that is the question. So, if you observe, see the side of the equation 4x plus 5y is equal to 0. It is passes through origin since there is no constant. 7x plus 2y is equal to 0. So, that side, that means AD is also passes through origin. That means these two sides passes through origin. Therefore, their point of intersection is 0, 0. Understand this? Right. Definitely 11x plus 7y is equal to 9 should not be the side of diagonal AC. Why? Because so the line, this equation does not satisfy the point 0, 0. That's why the equation of BD is, therefore, the equation of the diagonal BD is, so this is 11x plus 7y is equal to 9. So, happy. So, everything is clear, Now, we have to find out the equation of AC. Right, to find out the equation of any line, so the minimum requirement is what? First thing, a point and the slope of the line. Otherwise, any 2 points. Otherwise, x-intercept, y-intercept. So, those are the various forms of lines we have. So, here also, we have to find out the equation of AC. Okay, now. So, if you want to find out the equation of AC, so it is clear that the AC passes through the origin 0, 0. Okay, one point we know. So, if you know the slope of AC or any other point on the side AC. So, here it is easy to find out this point, that is point of intersection of the diagonals. How? By solving 4x plus 5y is equal to 0 and 11x plus 7y is equal to 9, we can get the coordinates of the point B. By solving 7x plus 2y is equal to 0 and 11x plus 7y is equal to 0, we can get the coordinates of the point D. After getting the coordinates of B and D, so this point is nothing but, we can call it as A, B, C, D, no? So E is nothing but the point of intersection, point of intersection of the diagonals. We know that in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, E will be the midpoint of BD. E will be the midpoint of BD. So, after knowing E, so we can find out the equation of the line diagonal passing through A and C. So, very easy problem. So, let us solve these two equations. What are those two equations? So, solution I am explaining. So, what are the two equations? So, here 4x plus 5y is equal to 0. So, last equation is 11x plus 7y minus 9 is equal to 0. Let us solve these two equations. So, we can solve by YCXY method. So, 5, 0, 4, 5, 7 minus 9, 11, 7, x, y constant, x by minus 45, y by 36, 1 by 4 sevens are 36 minus 55. So, on the whole your B coordinates are x comma y is equal to minus 45 upon 36 minus 55. So, 36 minus 55 means how much? So, almost it is a 19. So, this is 4 sevens are 28. So, 11 fives are 55. So, 28 minus 55 means how much? So, this is a 27. So, this is a 27 and it is 36 by minus 27. So, this is equal to, so 45 by 27 means you can cancel with 9. So, 9 fives are 9 threes are. So, here also you can cancel with, so 9 fours are 9 threes are. Therefore, the coordinates of B are 5 by 3 comma minus 4 by 3. So, I will write here. So, 5 by 3 comma minus 4 by 3. Okay, very easy. Now, let us solve these two equations. What are the two equations? So, that is equal to 7x plus 2y is equal to 0. So, what is the second diagonal equation? So, that is 11x plus 7y minus 9 is equal to 0. So, YCXY method. So, 2 short, so otherwise cross multiplication method. 2, 0, 2, 0, 7, 2. So, this is equal to 7 minus 9, 11, 7. X, y constant. X by, see here how much? 2 into 9. So, that is equal to minus 18, y by 63, 1 by 49 minus 22. Okay. So, what are the coordinates of D? So, D coordinates are nothing but minus 18 upon 49 minus 22. So, that is equal to 27 comma 63 by 27. So, the coordinates of D are, so 18 by 27. See here we can cancel with 9. So, that is a 9 2s are 9 3s are. So, 63 by 27 you can cancel with 9. So, 9, so it is a 9 7s are and a 9 3s are. So, that is a 1 is minus 2 by 3 comma 7 by 3. So, this is equal to minus 2 by 3 comma 7 by 3. Yes, right. So, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. So, minus 2 by 3 comma 7 by 3. So, you know the coordinates of B and the coordinates of D. So, find the midpoint, we will find out the midpoint of BD and we will find the equation of AE. Okay, na? So, let us continue the solution. Welcome back. So, we know that in a parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, so E will be the midpoint of BD. So, what are the coordinates of E? So, this is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So, that is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3 by 2, 7 by 3 minus 4 by 3 by 2. So, this is equal to coordinates of E are, see here minus 2 plus 5, 3 upon 3, 1. So, this is equal to 1 by 2. So, this is a 7 minus 4, 3 upon 3 cancel. So, this is equal to 1 by 2. So, we got the coordinates of E. So, very easy problem now. So, this is a 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Now, find out the slope of AE. So, what is the slope of AE? So, slope of AE is nothing but difference of y coordinates by difference of y x coordinates. That is 1 by 2 minus 1 by that is equal to 1. So, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, 1. So, therefore, equation of AE, that means AC, diagonal AC. So, nothing but y minus y1 that is equal to 1 by 2 m into x minus x1. So, this is a y is equal to x or x minus y is equal to 0. So, x minus y is equal to 0 is the equation of the diagonal AC. So, this can be, that means x coordinate and y coordinate both are same, that is your answer is 2 comma 2. So, such type of problems are also giving in your JEE mains examination. So, this type of problems I can say they are not the rank deciding problems. Why? Because even a student who is preparing seriously for the examination, so all will do this type of problems. Okay. So, but why you have to attempt these type of problems means what? So, to get the respectable score. So, in your JEE mains examination, if anybody asks you, so how much score you got in your examination, means you have to tell no. So, for this much score I got no. So, to get that type of score, you have to attempt this type of problems. Don't think that in the JEE mains examination all problems are very difficult. No. So, this is the problem given in JEE mains examination. So, this type of problems some more are there. So, let us see that problems. Welcome to the second problem. So, here the second problem is also a very easy. The concepts that we are going to use to solve this problem are very basic level concepts. Okay. So, let us see that. If the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points P1 comma 4 and Q K comma 3 has y intercept equal to minus 4, then the value of K is saying. Okay. So, let us take a line segment joining P and Q. So, this is a P and it is Q. So, P is given as 1 comma 4 and Q is given as K comma 3. So, it is not clear, P is very clear. If the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining, perpendicular bisector means what? It passes through the midpoint, of the line segment PQ and also perpendicular. So, that is PM is equal to MQ. It has y intercept equal to, so here its y intercept is minus 4. Here it is y intercept is minus 4 means this line passes through 0 comma minus 4. That is very important. It is a y intercept minus 4 means the line passes through 0 comma minus 4. If x intercept is minus 4 means the line passes through minus 4 comma 0. Okay na? That means it intersects the y axis at 0 comma minus 4. That is a very important point. So, afterwards everything is very clear. So, we can find out the coordinates of M. So, coordinates of M is nothing but, so midpoint of PQ, that means x1 plus x2 upon 2, 1 plus k by 2, 4 plus 3, 7 by 2. Understand this? Now, what are, now we know the M coordinates, so we can call it as a MR. So, we can say we have to find out the value of K. So, very easy to find out. So, we know the property that if two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. What is slope of PQ? The slope of PQ is equal to 3 minus 4, otherwise 4 minus 3, 1 by 1 minus K. So, this is a slope of PQ. Okay now. What is slope of MR? Slope of MR means y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Otherwise, 7 by 2 plus 4, that is 7 by 2 plus 4 by x2 minus x1, that is 1 plus k upon 2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, this is a 2 will cancel, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 7, 15 by 1 plus k, 15 by 1 plus k. The product of these slopes is equal to minus 1. Why? Because these two lines are perpendicular, no? That's why. Since these two lines are perpendicular, we know the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. So, what is the product of these slopes? Means 1 upon 1 minus k times 15 upon 1 plus k is equal to minus 1. That is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So, if you say that if you multiply this, this is equal to cross multiplication, if you take 1 minus k into 1 plus k, 1 minus k square, if it is a minus is there, no. So, therefore, k square minus 1 is equal to 15. So, k is equal to plus or minus 4. So, here it will become 16. So, root 16 is 4. So, plus or minus 4. So, already it is given that option B is the correct answer. Okay, now. So, it is a very, very easy problem to be very easy concept. So, here the only concept that we used is, so we used here first midpoint. The first here you have to remember is, it is given y-intercept means generally students think of the formula y is equal to mx plus c. Here don't need that. So, here y-intercept is given means the line passes through the point 0 comma minus 4. So, if you got that idea, the problem is a very, very easy one. So, we got a midpoint and product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Thereby, we will get the answer. So, such type of easy problems are giving in your JEE mains examination. So, such type of one more problem is there. Let us see that problem. Welcome to third problem. So, this is somewhat conceptual based question. A triangle ABC lying in the first quadrant has two vertices, A1 comma 2 very clear, B 3 comma 1 very clear, and angle BAC is equal to 90 degrees. Oh, it is a right angle triangle lying in the first quadrant. And the area of the triangle ABC is given as 5 root 3 square units. Then the abscissa of the vertex is, that means in a right angle triangle, two vertices are given and we have to find out the third vertex. Okay. So, total triangle is in the first quadrant. Okay. So, let us draw a diagram for this. So, it is a x-axis and it is a y-axis. So, A1 comma 2, B3 comma 1. So, it is a A, generally A will be here 1 comma 2, B3 comma 1. So, 1 comma 2, so this is a 3 comma 1 means somewhere here. So, this is a B3 comma 1, right. So, 3 and 1 will be somewhat down, right. BAC is 90 degrees. So, there is a right angle triangle like this. So, here 90 degrees. So, this is a C. So, therefore, on the whole BAC is 90 degrees, it is a right angle triangle. We have to find out the coordinates of x comma y. And one more thing is given, area of the triangle ABC is equal to 5 root 3. So, this is the information given, we have to find out the coordinates of x and y, right, how to find out. Then how to proceed this problem. See here, if you want to find out the coordinates of x and y, we have a property, the property I am explaining here. So, this is a x-axis and it is y. There is a line, it is making an angle theta with x-axis in the positive direction. There is a point P, some x1 comma y1 lying on the line. At a distance of r units, there is another point q x comma y on the same line, and the same line. Right, you know theta, you know px1 y1, you know r value. How to find out x comma y value? That means a point which lies at a distance of r units from the point px1 comma y1. So, we have a parametric equation form. So, that x comma y, that is q x comma y is given by the formula. So, this is a x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Okay, now, right. So, here, so I will just like that here a1 comma 2. Just you extend this. So, this will be theta. Let us call it as theta. Okay, next. So, did we know this length? This length we know. This length we do not know, that is r value we do not know. x1 y1 we know, x1 y1 we know. theta we don't know. So if you proceed in this way, there is a chance of getting the formula. That means AB length and AC length we can find out. AC length we can find out. How? Using this concept, area of the triangle ABC. What the area of the triangle ABC means? Half into base into height. Half into base into height. That means AB length we know, AC length we can get from that half into base into height. So we can get AC. Okay, very good. So we can get AC value also. Already P x1 y1 also we know. X1 y1 we know, x1 y1 we know, R value also we know. Okay. Then how to find out cos theta, sin theta? Right. So to find out that AB is perpendicular to AC. AB is perpendicular to AC. That means first we will find out the slope of AB and afterwards we can find out the slope of AC. The slope of AC is nothing but tan theta. The slope of AC is nothing but tan theta. So if you know the tan theta, we can find out sin theta, cos theta. Okay. So this is the plan of action to find out the coordinates of x and y. Okay. So here what are the concepts we applied is, main basic concept is this. So x1 plus or minus r cos theta comma y1 plus or minus r sin theta. So basing on this problem was created. Okay na? So let us proceed the solution. First I will find out the length of AC. Okay na? First what is the length of AB? So the length of AB is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 3 minus 1 2 square 4 plus y2 minus y1 whole square 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 whole square means 1, that is equal to root 5. See here it is given that area of triangle ABC is equal to 5 root 5. So this is equal to 5 root 5. So area of the triangle means what? Half into base AB length is root 5 into height means AC. So AC is equal to 5 root 5. Okay na? So any more cancellations? Root 5 cancel. So AC is equal to 10 we got. AC is equal to 10 we got. So this is nothing but your R value. So you know x1, y1 value, R value. The only thing is you have to find out sin theta and cos theta. So to find out the sin theta and cos theta, so we will find out the slope of AC. Now how to find out the slope of AC? Now what is the slope of AB? The slope of AB is difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates, that is 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 2, that is 2. Now what will be the slope of AC? Since AB and AC are perpendicular, the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1, therefore the slope of AC is equal to 2. So nothing but this AC makes an angle theta with x-axis, therefore tan theta is equal to how much? 2. So if you know the tan theta value, it is easy to find out sin theta and cos theta. How? 2 means 2 by 1. So we know the right angle triangle, this is a 2 and this is 5. Therefore what is our sin theta? Sin theta is equal to 2 by root 5. Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 5. Understand this? Right. Now we are going to find out the coordinates of x and y. So he is asking only the x coordinate, abscissa. So you find out only x. X is equal to x1 plus or minus r cos theta. Okay now? Right. So what is this? X is equal to x1 means how much? 1 plus or minus. R means what? AC length. What is AC length? 10. So that is equal to 10 into cos theta 1 by root 5, that is equal to 1 by root 5. So this is equal to x is equal to 1 plus or minus 10 into 1 by root 5 means root 5 by root 5, 2 root 5. So this is equal to 2 root 5. So if you observe here, he is saying that x and y, total triangle is in the first quadrant. So if you take 1 minus 2 root 5, that will be a negative quantity. That's why, so you have to take x is equal to 1 plus 2 root 5 only. Therefore, option B, that is x is equal to 1 plus 2 root 5 is the correct answer. Okay. So this is a somewhat conceptual question. So if you think in a creatively, so the solution of this problem is very, very easy. So dear students, I hope that you understand these 3 problems today, and with some more problems, tomorrow's class I will stand before you. Until then, all the best.